One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. And do I ever have an odd video here today? I went to an auction and had over 1,200 items, over 450 cars, pieces of equipment. I bought 0 cars. I bought this. I got more junk than you can imagine. And I also got a big U-Haul full of junk. And I tell you what, it took me and Rich all day, and my woman, and I'll tell you what, it's one of the hardest, worst, most awful loads we've ever tied down. All right, got the U-Haul loaded up, got the trailer loaded up. This was one hell of a load. 26 foot, pretty much full to the ceiling. And my 22 foot, we got a medical gurney, medical bed on the back. We almost didn't get everything. This is probably one of the biggest loads of junk that I've gotten. We got office partitions. Oh look, that was about to come out, man. Whoo! I lose that on the freeway through somebody's windshield. Office partitions, all the cabinets come with them. Standing desks. I got my truck full of medical equipment and stuff. And then over there's all kinds of stuff. Meanwhile, we've sold a lot of cars and a lot of stuff moving on. We've cleaned the place up a lot. But one more leaving the LeBaron sold. We've kind of got a dent in our place here. Now we're gonna kind of move some of this stuff around, get it all cleared out. Looking good for winter, to where the snow looks good when it comes down. So, more cars. If you see anything you like, you can look at my webpage, oneownercarguy.com. And also, you could just call me, 406-546-8748. Name's Nate, and that's that. Bumpers! Got bumpers for the right-hand drive Jeep. And I just wanted to show inside this. The whole entire thing is full. There's a hydraulic hose crimper. You can make hydraulic hoses. Cisco, all these server racks and everything, brand new Cisco. It's insane what's in here. Government surplus and such, mannequins, oxygen tanks, printer cartridges. I mean, I got a spectrometer in here. Not only got a spectrometer, I got a machine that'll read like 100 pieces of mail and make a copy of it per minute. Lots of stuff. Okay, well, that's that. So what we're gonna do to make this happen, we're gonna use the skid steer to unload. My God, that's an awful load. And we're gonna get this all cleaned up a bit here to where we can actually get in and out. And then we're gonna get in here and we're gonna clog our driveway up, I guess. See what we can do. We got junk everywhere, always do. But we're gonna get the last part of this cleaned up a bit. What we've done in the last, I don't know, cost me 10 days in labor, I bet. But we've taken all the junk scrap, not junk scrap. We got good tools, but they're not organized. And we probably took a dozen toolboxes to the auction, and then we got our stuff organized in here. I've decided long ago that I wasn't going to sell this. I'm just going to organize my tools in it. So kind of got that going, got a mess going, but it's an organized mess at this point. And lost our tarp last year, where we have stuff under here. Thinking we're going to kind of get this out of here, clean this all up, and then bring that stuff in here and stack it around. Not exactly sure yet or how we're going to do it, but we're doing it. We got a mess, we're dealing with it. So I got Rich and my dad out here. We're moving this here billboard type sign panels just to make this area here a little bit more presentable. I got cans like crazy later on. We've moved pallets of crap out of here. Oh, there they are right there. And we're gonna get them in somewhere better. I've got stuff we're moving and we're cleaning up around there. Place is gonna look better. Problem is, all I do is buy more stuff. But that's not really a problem because I got cool stuff. I can't wait to get into these pallets. Some of them we don't even know what's really on them. This one, this whole bottom row is full of this. This stuff is 10 bucks a bottle, and I'm pretty sure the whole bottom row is all full. A 4 foot by 4 foot pallet of that. And wait till you see this stuff come apart. I got 10 pallets of cubicles, like I said, and this here birthing bed. This can go to some small place around, but that's a big thing. We ain't got no help. It's me and Rich, and my dad's out here helping us. that's about it. Got somebody stopping by in a $750 car. Lots of stuff going on. Got my dad out here, and got Richie out here, and this place is looking good. We have made such an improvement over everything the way this thing was. And it just gets piled up. And we're getting ready for winter. I wouldn't call it fall cleaning or spring cleaning, but we've been a cleaning, that's for sure. Got down to where I can see my spectrometer. I bought another one, so I'll have two. I got two spectrometers. So trying to get a pallet jack out over here. Our pallet jack went down, and Richie's bringing the 26 foot U-Haul in. We're gonna get this thing all done. And so it begins.
Heavy, guys.
Here, Vlad. Well, a couple hours, 3 hours, so we made a dent in it. This stuff was all full, basically to the ceiling, stacked over all this. But we got about, I don't know, I'd say a good third to half of it out. Got some stuff stacked all around. Got Veridesk desks and medical supplies and rubber gloves and more medical supplies, printer cartridges, and we got 21 totes of flight simulator stuff. Just an amazing amount. We got that thing off. Just got this in. Might end up having to store stuff in it, but we've got the lot opened up a little bit. But even though it was opened up, now we're closing it off and bringing all this stuff in. We got 3 pallets off here and the gurney, and then all this junk. But got in a new E250 also. So basically right now my truck's full of junk. This is full of junk. Also got a, oh man, we got stuff everywhere right now. This is a couple auctions of the year where I just buy a lot of stuff. And you gotta get it before winter, where I got some winter work. And I ain't gotta keep driving all over town trying to do this. A Hot Point old school stove range. Pretty cool. Someone wants that. We're gonna delve into these 2 pallets. As you can see with Rich over here, we got the medical stuff. Man, you can come down, we operate on you. That's how big this thing is. Is that the isolation gown, you think?
Yeah, I was just sitting right here.
So we got pallets. I'm gonna tear this apart, figure out what we got here, and throw some stuff in here. Montana State Prison. Yep. So Montana State Prison, we don't really know what's in the trash can, except for some 3D printed masks. But there's also the whole bottom of this thing is bathroom cleaner. No, this ain't the bathroom cleaner one, but there's 3M cleaner of some kind. We shall see. Who knows what we bought?
Mystery box.
So once we tore into it, this is what we figure we got. We don't even know. We haven't even looked at this box yet. Where are the black ones going?
I gotta make a separate box for them.
Right here. We don't even know. I'll bet you that's more of that stuff, that obstacle light.
Over here?
Over here. Okay, so we got all these U.S. Capital Fund gowns. We got 4 cases, 20 in each box, 10 box each case, N95 particulate masks, all 3M. This whole stack is those. Those are 20 bucks a box. We got all these face shields up the wazoo shields. U.S. Capital Fund gowns. And I'll tell you what, something funny we found. These are U.S. Capital Fund. They're made in China. Where's the China? China. I'll show you the other side. They're made in China, and they shipped from Israel. What? Israeli Airlines or something. It says right there. Over here. Where's the China? I know it says China. Oh, there it is. China. So they make them in China, send them to Israel, and send them back to us. Kind of makes you think that we was government aid to Israel and they're selling them back to us or something. Something wonky's going on there. More gowns like crazy. Gowns, and more gowns. 3D printed masks from the prison. Mask kits. Filter kits for the masks. Huh, crazy. Crazy amount of stuff. Isolation gowns. And with stuff right here, they got that case. And then 3 cases here, another case here. It's all this over-year stuff or something. It's cleaner. Kills AIDS. Good stuff. Stinking 11 bucks a bottle times like hundreds of bottles. I love it. Not only that, there's a brand new, really nice trash can, and it has all kinds of N95. 10 pieces per bag. for a KN95. Half full of them. Big money. These are the nice face shields. Really nice. Pretty cool. 200 or 300 of them in here. A lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. There's more gowns in here. That's the same as the white gowns over there. See, did you see? Did I show? This is all gowns. Even if you're painting cars, they gotta be good for that, man. Believe me, I'm selling this stuff to somebody someday, somehow. Over there, we'll see ya. 21 bucks for a Little Rascal handicap cart. It's his new toy. We got pallets of stuff here. These are all AI phone video conferencing stuff. Just a buku bunch. Sea perch. It's like a battery cell game, fuel cell, car and experiment kits. All that's that stuff. And jeez, dude, come on now, simmer down now. We got these Betco quarter packs. The whole top of this pallet here is all these Betco quarter packs, and the whole bottom of the pallet is just pure government waste.
We got some masks.
We got masks. You just keep the you only get that one. We got the whole bottom of this. All these is 4-gallon things of Lysol heavy-duty bathroom cleaner, and this stuff is 28 bucks a gallon at Walmart. And there's 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 24 4-gallon boxes. And I got this whole pallet for like 100 bucks. There was some other stuff with it, even a menu board sign. There it is. And some other stuff. Commercial coffee makers. Still loving the Frederick's Super Perm machine. This is a pretty cool item here. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but all these standing desks, flight sounds. This pallet of Cisco stuff is pretty unique. So we're gonna start going through it all and get this pallet of Cisco stuff listed. These are all from the prison, and they're Missoula Correctional Enterprises or whatever, but they're 3D printed masks, and they made their own filters for them. They shove these things in and put this filter in the inside. Kind of interesting, but lots of neat stuff. Exit signs. They took all the exit signs out and replaced them. Look at this. This was on the bathroom cleaner bag. There is 69 handcuff cases. These are going for about 14 bucks on eBay. So I'll be selling handcuff cases. Got an R12, 2 R12 refrigerant tank. Refrigerant. I sound like Porky Pig, Daffy Duck. Just a little bit of R12 in them both. That would be nice. Okay, well, mannequin dummies and just all kinds of. This whole pallet of laser jet cartridges. The Bruker spectrometer, nuclear magnetic spectrometer. That's so cool. That don't even sound like something I should have. These are all barrier isolation gowns. Whole palette of different kinds of surplus isolation gowns and all these. I think I can sell for Halloween costumes. I don't know. Got a lot of stuff here. A lot of stuff in the donut machine. So we'll be putting some stuff together. These here are about 300 bucks a piece. 15 boxes of them I bought. And there's 2 speakers in each one. This one had one. But one of them had one. The rest had 2. Pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. What?
I'm a woodworker.
Be careful with that.
I'm a woodworker.
Yeah. He's loving his rascal. Oh, we even got these here. Check out these armoires. Armoires. I showed them in another video, but now they're out in the open. Cool fronts on them. You can take these inserts out and you can see through. Make it a liquor cabinet or something if you wanted. Put a TV in here. I guess somebody maybe did. Backs cut out of one. There's a piece that goes across the middle. Kind of cool. They're matching. All right, what I got here for you today is a little Orbitz donut maker. Donut machine. I don't know. Try to keep my shadow out of it, but not doing too good at that. This thing's cool. This thing is fully automatic. Turn it on. These things here pick the donuts up and flip it over, and it'll come back down, and more donuts get pushed down the tray, and picks it up here and flips it over and bakes the other side, or deep fat fries it, and then comes over here and it flips it out into your tray at the end of it. So that all works. And then this one, you can turn this on. Just sits here and goes up and down. Makes a donut every second or two. Just making the donuts. Time to make the donuts. And you got the hood with the motor and everything. Filtration system. You can see the filters down in there maybe. I don't know. Donuts. It says donuts right on the side of it too. All kinds of storage and sliding doors in the back. So call me up. Let's make all your donut dreams come true.